Go.
There's a bird up there. Hello, birdie.
Ay, hello, birdie.
Birdie is black.
Hello, birdie.
It's an owl. It's an owl.
Bye-bye, birdie.
Ay, thank you. You always babay yung Papa O'Neil.
Bye-bye, birdie.
Hello guys, so ayan, naglalakad din naman kami. Allison, say hi! Allison, what do you like? I'm gonna buy it. Just select. Which one you like? This baby or this ball? You want this? It's very expensive, right, Puto? Ano, you want ice cream? Huh? You want ice cream, Puto? It's no ice cream anymore? What do you like?
Oh my God, just one, just one.
Just one, Puto.
But I have to give Chris some or he's gonna be sad.
Saan ba yun?
Go, 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 dali. Oh my God, next time don't come here, ha? Don't do that.
You always bakal.
I will help you and buy some more.
Hello guys, so ayan, naglalakad din naman kami. Allison, say hi! Allison! Where are we going? Look at the background guys, beautiful.
Yung pala kanya.
Kagayan pag ganito na. Tapos ano?
Ayaw niya, listen. Sa likod. Parang bakit mo. Sa likod. Ayun.
Yeah, Allison, we're gonna go to...
Dress ka ba tuloy? Tumayo na naman.
Ganyan yan kami.
May ka.
Allison, we're gonna go to Papa Beach.
Tara muna ako.
Sabi ko yung bata na yun. Sabi ni Ina, mag-order. Sabi ni Pin, mag-order.
So... Ay, saan si Maribin? Akala ko pumasok.
Hindi, mongkog na nasa, nasa, nasa,
Saan pumasok? Come here na.